Before proceeding further, it is important for us to understand the meaning of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a broad spectrum phrase. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting internet connected systems such as computers, servers, networks, smartphones, communication devices, and information stored therein from the unauthorized access or malicious attacks. Cybersecurity is also known as information technology security or electronic information security. Cybersecurity involves implying protective measures like firewalls, encryption, authentication protocols, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software. The ultimate aim of cybersecurity is to safeguard individuals, organizations, and society as a whole from the detrimental impacts of cyber threats and attacks, as the cyber attacks are continuously increasing the world over. A few cybersecurity statistics will throw a light on the importance of cybersecurity measures which the individuals, business organizations, and even the government organizations should take to protect their devices or the data from the cyber attacks. First point, approximately 3 lakh new malwares are created every day. Desktop and laptops are most vulnerable to cybercrime. Number 3, email is the leading malware carrier. Number 4, Trojans are the leading form of malware on Android. Fifth, data breaches are most commonly financially motivated because everyone requires money. Sixth point, 85% of data breaches involve a human element. Seventh, more than half of all cyber attacks are committed against small to mid-sized businesses, whereas an ordinary individual thinks that he will not be on the target of the cyber criminals, whereas the cyber criminals think otherwise. They think that the small organizations or an ordinary individual will not take cyber security measures, so they are the soft targets of the cyber criminals. 8th point, it is stated that 1 in every 14 downloads is a piece of malware. 19th, 40% of IT leaders claim that cybersecurity jobs are the most difficult to fill. 10th, phishing was the topmost internet crime reported to the FBI in 2020. 11th, as per the annual review by the UK National Cybersecurity Centre, the number of ransomware attacks in Q1 of 2021 was thrice the number of those in entire 2019. We may add that we have already uploaded a number of courses such as tips for crafting engaging speeches, good communication skills, how to manage stress, job application format, unlocking the power of mental wellness, mastering Heron's formula, most common mistakes in English grammar, 13 resume writing tips, and what must be in your resume, CV, biodata, future tense, past tense, and much more. You can look out for the same. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.